Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the crown has enough charge and is powered on. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the menu visible so you can confirm the device when it appears. Now press and hold the crown's pairing button for about 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. It broadcasts a signal so your phone can find it. Make sure you're within 1 to 3 feet. Signal strength matters for a clean initial handshake. You'll see the crown appear in the list. Tap it to initiate pairing. If the phone asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Many devices also accept a one-time code displayed on screen. Once you accept permissions, the devices perform a brief handshake to exchange profiles for audio and controls, so wait for the confirmation tone or the word connected. If the app prompts for additional permissions, grant them now so features like media and controls work correctly. You finish by testing. Play a short audio clip and use the crown's control wheel or buttons to verify volume and response. This confirms profiles are active. Then, if you want automatic future connections, set the crown as your preferred audio device in the phone's Bluetooth settings. Finally, update firmware if prompted to avoid bugs. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails, restart both the crown and the phone, then retry. That simple reset clears many transient Bluetooth issues and restores pairing reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.